चलिए आप बात कर रहे पब्लिक ओपिनियन की, मैं आपको पब्लिक ओपिनियन बताता हूँ। नीति आयोग सर्वे, over 70% of the citizens supported the idea of simultaneous elections, citing reduced costs and better focus on governance. लॉ कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की रिपोर्ट बोलती है कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए, साइमल्टेनियस इलेक्शन चाहिए। अब बात करते हैं करप्शन की, मैं करप्शन के बारे में आपको बताना चाहूंगा। देखिए, फ्रीक्वेंट इलेक्शन प्रोवाइड्स मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर बाइंग वोट्स, कास्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड मिसयूज ऑफ स्टेट। इन 2019 इलेक्शंस अलोन 3,547 crores worth of cash, liquor and drugs were seized during the election process. What is this, sir? Do you want to answer this question?
अपना भी कमाल हो रहा है, हर कोना जो बोले अलग अलग जुबान, क्या एक ही राग में गाएगा ये हिंदुस्तान? You are talking about regional powers. Let me correct you. This India nation is of different languages. We don't have same opinion of different things. We don't have same opinions on the same things. We are very vast traditions, tribes, communities. So-called reservations and lower caste also is there. There is still discrimination on socially democratic justice wise. People are not allowed to enter regional institutions, not allowed to enter temples and mosques for their lower caste. We are talking about regional powers and the national interest. In national interest, everything in paper looks very good, but when in practice, everybody is not allowed to enter them. You are talking about regional issues are not an issues. As Jharkhandi, resources are the biggest issues of Jharkhand, and I'm talking about because this is a state legislative government. I can talk about it. But what about your process of thinking? The national interest will collide the regional interest. We have seen the decline of rise of regional passes and declines of central governments in 1970s. As the parties emerged, different ideas emerged, and democracy is that different ideas. Every person has different ideas. Why don't regional powers and national powers have subjects? Everyone has different subjects. The constitution has given different subjects to both.
ठीक है, आपको पब्लिक अकाउंटेबिलिटी कैसे हम लोग ला सकते हैं वो बताना चाहूंगा। पहले तो आपको ग्लोबल प्रेसिडेंट्स दूंगा, लाइक फ्रांस और जर्मनी में, जहां पर इलेक्शन साइमल्टेनियसली कराए जाते हैं, एंड पब्लिक अकाउंटेबिलिटी स्टिल एग्जिस्ट देयर वेरी वेल। सेकेंडली, हाउ कैन वी गेट पब्लिक अकाउंटेबिलिटी? यू टॉक अबाउट दैट। Public accountability can be maintained through continuous governance mechanisms like RTI acts, public hearings, and regular state audits. The frequency of election doesn't change from reality. If we have public accountability, we can have public accountability through various methods, not just elections. Elections can lead to populism. Populism, we give freebies, we give a lot of free acts that can be used as a method to use people, and that is flawed.
तो आपने एग्जांपल फ्रांस और जर्मनी का दिया, और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि जितना पॉपुलेशन फ्रांस जर्मनी का टोटल है उतना हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश का है। जितना डाइवर्सिटी इंडिया में है उतना डाइवर्सिटी और कहीं भी नहीं है। अलग अलग लोग के अलग अलग ओपिनियन है। आप कैसे आप जिससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं उसका जितना पॉपुलेशन दोनों कंट्रीज का मिला के उतना तो पॉपुलेशन हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश का। अलग अलग डाइवर्सिटीज को आप अलग अलग ओपिनियन रहेंगे तो आप सबको सप्रेस कर देंगे। आप जिसका एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हो खुद ही यहाँ पे इस सिचुएशन कभी लागू हो ही नहीं सकता है। इंडिया की सिचुएशन डिफरेंट सिचुएशन लीड डिफरेंट आउटकम्स, और इंडिया की सिचुएशन के हिसाब से मल्टीपल इलेक्शन हमेशा थे और रहेंगे बेहतर।
साइमल्टेनियस इलेक्शंस ही होने चाहिए। हमें डिबेट इस बात पे करनी चाहिए कि इलेक्शन साइमल्टेनियस इलेक्शंस हम कैसे स्मूथली कंडक्ट करा सकते हैं अपनी डेमोक्रेसी को स्ट्रांग बनाने के लिए। वन नेशन वन इलेक्शंस के बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस है और इसके इफेक्टिवनेस भी बहुत है, और मैं अपने कुछ पॉइंट्स के थ्रू इसको प्रूव भी कर सकता हूं। अगर कम इलेक्शंस होगा हमारे नेशन में तो वो ना ही सिर्फ पॉलिसी पैरालिसिस को मिटिगेट करेगा, जब और वो हमारा जो भी रिसोर्सेज हमारा स्ट्रेन होता है पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन्स में, जितना भी करप्शन है, इलीगल मनी ट्रांसफरिंग, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग होता है, वो उसको भी कम कर सकता है।
Seven state assembly elections were held, and the ruling party in the national has won with landslide. But in state assembly elections, it secured only 2 state assemblies. So the public is aware, the voters are aware of the national and regional issues. So how you can say that? आप जनता को बेवकूफ नहीं बना सकते। जनता अवेयर है कि नेशनल इश्यूज कौन से हैं, रीजनल इश्यूज कौन से हैं।
ये जो कहते हैं कि इलेक्शन से बचेगा वोट, क्या ये नहीं जानते कि 60,000 करोड़ का जो दे रही है फायदा, उसमें से कितना इलेक्शन कमीशन का और कितना है पार्टी का प्राइवेट फंड का वादा? ये कहते हैं कि 60,000 करोड़ से बजट का मेल, क्या ये भूल रहे हैं कि देश में डेमोक्रेसी जो है एक मोटी मेल, क्या ये भूल रहे हैं कि इस देश के लोकतंत्र में हर एक आवाज का महत्व है और वह आवाज का महत्व इस नए लोकतंत्र का महत्व है। लोकतंत्र में हर आवाज का है एक मोल, ना हो एक दिन में फैसला जो न समझे दुख डोल। एक देश एक चुनाव एक सपना हो सकता है, पर क्या सच में हर कोने के साथ अपना अपना हो सकता है? You are talking about the 10,000 election commissions report spending 6,000 total budget spending on an expenditure. Democracy is an expensive expenditure process of government. Are you talking about developing of the government? Our government is more developing than any other nations in the world. You're talking 1.5% national GDP growth of the government. Are we imposing dictatorship on the government to impose our national growth and anxiety, expenditure for political, demographic, propagandical, fundamental, statistical and analytical performance? Are you talking about national development in change of vulnerability of our social disputes and social justice?
So the opposition talk. So the opposition is talking about the cost efficiency not being enough reasons for holding simultaneous elections. So let me just put forward some stats. The 2019 Lok Sabha elections were conducted with 60,000 crores. Now the 79th report of the Covid Committee has suggested that the new EVMs and VVPATs which will be procured for the one nation one election would cost us around 9,000 crores. But if we even add that to the Lok Sabha elections, that would be around 70,000 crores, right? But the ECI has suggested that they spend around 5,000 crores.
To pass in the parliament. Let's be clear. The NDA government which proposed the COVID committee is not in the majority, two-third majority, and the state bill will not allow this because it will hamper the regional powers and the regional social issues and regional trust and national hampering interest. In the name of national interest, the regional issues were dismissed. And this will result in mass protests, riots and killing of people. You're talking about national interest and don't know the parliament is not satisfactory with this. Two-third majority is not in favor of the COVID committee. Two-third majority is not in the upper house and lower house of the government committee. And you're talking about state ratification. How about the states will, why will a state will allow to use its power? Power corrupts a man. And I'm talking about power in Indian politics. We all know power is very much important in politics and especially in Indian politics. You think legislature as representative will allow to use power against themselves only? That's not my case, brother. Every party has its own valuation and don't judge by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Two-third majority is impossible. It's a delusion to think that Covid Committee's report will pass in the parliament, upper lower house of state ratification. Article 73, Article 72A, Article 82A. 15 amendments will be needed and special amendments will be needed to constitution. In our constitution, the love we have for our constitution, the amendment you're talking about are unconstitutional. As I talk about special ratification, special majority in both the houses of the parliament. You're talking about two-third majority of the parliamentary legislation. What are the representation of the local parties? What are the representations of local people? Our interest as a local people of Jharkhand, my interest as a nation, as a national interest and a regional interest are very different issues. As a regional interest, I want my resources to be used in me. As a national interest, I want the resources of the circulation of economy in a budget-friendly world. You're talking about regional powers and national powers will not undertake. We're talking about two-third majority.